So right after the iOS 26 update, if your iPhone's Bluetooth option is grayed out, like it's not clickable or in some cases even missing both from the control panel and from settings, don't worry. First, what you can try is just turn on airplane mode, wait for around 5 to 10 seconds, and then turn it back off once again. This will quickly restart and refresh the network. If that didn't help, next, we will recommend you to check some privacy settings. From settings, scroll down for screen time, and then scroll down for content and privacy restrictions. Enter. Now scroll down in this section and search for the Bluetooth sharing option. Enter. And just make sure it's selected to allow changes. Or what you can do is just turn off content and privacy restrictions all the way and see if your problem is solved. If that didn't solve your problem, next just go ahead, force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up and down button and press and hold the side button until it shows Apple logo on your screen. Now in most cases, after a forced restart, this type of problem is solved. If that didn't solve your problem, don't worry. Next we're going to suggest is just go ahead, do a reset network settings. From settings to general, scroll down for transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, and from this list, select reset network settings. This will reset all the network related settings on your device, including your Wi-Fi password, so make sure you got that. And then tap on reset network settings once more. A network reset is enough to solve any grayed out issue. If it didn't solve your problem, don't worry, just come back in the same section, and from this list, what you're gonna do is just choose reset all settings. Don't worry, this will not delete any data, we'll just remove some customized settings to default, including your Wi-Fi password. So once again, make sure you got that. Hopefully your Bluetooth button is not grayed out anymore and you'll be able to pair and connect your Bluetooth devices with your iPhone once again. Thanks for watching.